The Enthalpy Change Interactive Calculator determines heat energy transfers for 6 different thermodynamic processes. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Sensible Heat Temperature Change, Chemical Reaction Enthalpy, Phase Change Enthalpy, Standard Formation Enthalpy, Combustion Enthalpy, or Mixing Solution Enthalpy. For this demonstration, I'm using Sensible Heat Temperature Change. For sensible heat calculations, enter your mass in kilograms, specific heat capacity in joules per kilogram Kelvin, initial temperature in Celsius, and final temperature in Celsius. Let me walk you through an example. I'll input mass equals 2.5 kilograms, specific heat capacity equals 4,186 joules per kilogram Kelvin, initial temperature equals 20 degrees Celsius, and final temperature equals 80 degrees Celsius. After clicking Calculate, the results show enthalpy change delta H equals 627.90 kilojoules. The process type indicates endothermic heat absorbed. The energy assessment states temperature change of 60 Kelvin requires 627.90 kilojoules of energy transfer. Additional information shows energy per unit mass equals 251.16 kilojoules per kilogram. This calculator streamlines enthalpy calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.